You made this way harder than you needed to. This is kind of overkill. We'll run it. So I'm going to put in 5 for general public. Put in 10 here. And those are the correct results. Now the thing is, you could have done this you don't need these. You don't need these. All these variables is just adding a level of complexity to the program that is unnecessary. Those look good. Okay, yeah, I can see why you did that. I'll leave those in. You didn't need to, but you are using them. And the advantage to doing it this way is that if the prices change, you don't have to go through and change it in the code. So that makes sense. This has an error here. Now see, this part you're just repeating for each one. You don't need to do this by the category. This is where it really gets into overkill. So you only need one of these paragraphs of code with some elif statements. So here, trying to use your logic. We don't even need that. Because it's going to be chicken price. Okay, so here, we'll simplify this. Yeah, this is odd. It's unnecessary. Anyway, this is way more complicated than it has to be. I don't even want to try and make your code work. Okay, so the simple way to do this is, and you should always have a few I'm not going to do the whole thing, but you would continue like that, and then you'd hit the selection. We need to figure out what are they. Now again, I'm just choosing 2 here. And would be ticket, so we'll create a value of cost as well. So we can figure out the cost here if category equals 1. And we should probably initialize cost here. Cost equals, or price. So we'll initialize it to 0 and we'll change it here. I think I spelled a typo here. I'm a bit dyslexic. So if category equals 1, price equals 5, so you can simplify that just by getting the price for each one. Then we can have ticket, and that needs a colon here. And for the discount that we would do discount equals 0, just to initialize it if. And so we're looking at here if it's greater than ticket, so if ticket number that would be a 20% discount. Elif and so on. So you can simplify the logic a lot. What you did worked, but you were making it more complicated than it had to be.